Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have a special guest with us and it is Cora, my hair dummy. So I'm gonna do a basic hair prepping and styling from now on my channel because I have done a professional course. So I wanted to add that up in my channel as well. So she's my hair dummy Cora. So as a basic prepping, I'm gonna show you all how to crimp the hair today. So crimping is the basic step any hairstylist would do after blow drying the hair. I'll do the blow drying on some other day when I wash her hair and it's wet. So today, as her hair is already washed and dried, I am gonna show you all how to do crimping of the hair. So first I'm gonna comb through her hair without any tangles. So basically crimping is done to make the hair look much more voluminous, and also it's gonna make the hair hold on to the hairstyle we're gonna make, especially for curls. First thing, I have put my crimper on heating, like I have kept it in temperature 200 degrees. Mostly for hairstylists, they will use it in the full, like 210 or 220, so that the hairstyle is it stays put. That's what my hairstylist taught me. So she asked us to use the highest temperature on any devices, since we'll be using the heat protection as well, so that you don't have to worry, and it's just for an event or something like that, not on a regular basis. So this is a plastic hair, so I'm gonna keep it in 200. As a first step, we have to use a heat protectant. I am using this Vella's heat protectant today. So this is gonna be the product I'll be using as a heat protectant, as it's gonna help your hair protected from the heat. So I'm clipping the top portion up here. Since I couldn't find the crocodile clips, I have used my hairbrush. This is just to put the hair up and out of our way, and I'm gonna crimp her hair. And this is how her hair looks. So even if you brush out your hair, the hair is still gonna look a little bit more voluminous. Make sure you use small sections to do this, because it's gonna give you a better finish. So do you see, it just immediately gives the hair a lot of volume. You can just do this as a hairstyle as well if your client prefers, or if you like to have something like that. I'm just gonna take a thin layer on top and not crimp this, because many people do not like how the hair looks after crimped, so I'm just gonna leave it aside. I'm gonna do this final layer, crimp it well. Okay, and I'm just gonna cover it up, and just to compare, you see how thicker hair this side is. It's just much more thicker and looks denser. Okay, even if you just give it a small comb through, the hair still gonna look a lot more voluminous. And this you can try even on thin hair and fine hair. It's gonna give you that volume. Make sure that you leave the top layer so that it covers up and looks like you've not done crimping. So that's all for the crimping video. Meet you in another one. Bye guys.